Turn. That's it. No, just one side.
That's it.
And then put that one up.
Ta-da! Ta-da!
That's it.
Let's have that. And you want it facing you so you can see.
That side. Yes.
Okay. That's it. We're going now.
Okay.
You can practice being a doll. You need two.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a good
That's
idea.
it.
Oh my
Yeah,
God,
you
that's
can do
great.
like that.
That's brilliant.
Yeah. Or you can take it out.
Okay, if you want
Push
to take
the
it out,
big
we
circle.
need to...
This one. Outside. That's it.
Let's practice again. We're going to do this a few times. That's not cool.
That's it. That's
Ta-da! Look at the umbrella. And then
until click the on to.
you'll get this down to pat.
That's it.
Like by a week of doing it, you'll have it like with your eyes closed in one hand. And go down. Let's have a look. Where do you put this bit down? I'm just looking at how does this go down? It should be just a click.
It's the same.
Yeah, but you can't use two hands. See this one, that's for their feet, you know, when they get a bit older. So
Yeah.
that one, you pin that down.
Which one can you show me the photo?
There.
Okay. The same thing.
Oh, yeah,
The
no.
big, yeah. That's it.
Ta-da!
How easy. On. Right.
Let's put the baby in there.
And then down,
Wacko.
down, down,
Then
up, push harder, and hold. That's it. Okay, and then make sure the wheel like that, the position, put together. That one. That's it.
just chuck in the car like that.
No, make sure the wheel is like that. Position so you can.
I'll clip it if you want.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sometimes you will, sometimes you won't. It all depends
Yeah.
how the baby's feeling.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's it. And then you can click that one.
Put it in the car.
That's it.
Look.
That's it.